C8 Corvette right there, mid-engine. Got the engine in the back. Let me see if I can see it. This one don't have a fiberglass. It's supposed to have the actual, well, some of them had the actual fiberglass so you can actually see the actual engine in the back. But right here, (2020) C8 Corvette. What's going on, YouTube, man? I'm just out here, Sunshine State. You know what I'm saying? Florida, man, out here with my little son. We out here, we just rolling today. Doing a quick little stroll, light little jog. Not too much today, man. Not too much PTing. You guys gotta let that body rest from time to time too. So, hey, I just wanna record this quick video. I recorded a video yesterday, put it out, talking about owner-operators. If you guys wanna be owner-operators, you gotta be disciplined. I mean, being disciplined is just the key to success in life anyway. You know, so today, I just wanna put out a quick video telling you guys how to be successful as being an owner-operator. The only reason why I'm able to put these videos out is because I have a trucking company and I ended up learning how to actually scale up my business, but most importantly, make it profitable. You know, because I started to learn how to do everything within my business. So for you guys out there who want to be owner-operators, now you have already conquered being disciplined. So you're disciplined now, right? You started that trucking company, you got your trucks rolling, you got your MC number, you got your own authority. Now it's time to start getting to the money. So for your owner operators out there, you guys got to do 3 things. First thing is go get your own authority. Man, it's easy. Just go to the FMCSA website, pay that $300, go get your own authority, go get your USDOT number, MC number, get that authority active. And the only way you're going to activate that authority is by getting the BOC3 on file and getting commercial insurance. Commercial insurance can be the most expensive thing out there, you know, so start saving your money because you guys got to put 20% down of whatever that insurance premium is. And I can guarantee majority of your premiums will be well over $10,000 for the year. So that means off top, you know, you got to put $2,000 down on $10,000. That's 20%. So be prepared to put more down, you know, so start saving up your money. Well, anyway, you should be saving your money anyway if you plan on starting a business. So that's the first thing that I would recommend is going to go get your own authority. You know, don't worry about leasing on to a company. Don't really get it in your mind that you have to lease on to a company to learn the business. I never leased on to a company and I learned the business. So like I always tell you guys, if I can do it, you guys can do it too. You know, so get your own authority. After that, learn how to dispatch. Now it's okay if you want to hire a dispatcher, you know, after you learn the fact, but don't go out and hiring a dispatcher when you guys are brand new. And the only reason why I'm saying this is because you're not going to learn. You know, you're going to rely on that dispatcher. And once you guys start relying on people out there, that's how you're going to probably end up running your business, is by relying on people and paying people money. You know, so it's okay to hire a dispatcher after the fact that you learn, because, for example, you might hire a dispatcher today and that dispatcher might not be performing how you want them to perform. You know, they might not be maximizing your profit. So at least you know, if you do have to hire a dispatcher, that you can always step back in. And the third thing that I would do is learn how to broker freight so that you guys can start going directly to the shippers out there. You know, so whether you're going directly to the shippers to actually acquire direct shippers, or you guys are utilizing those shippers during the time that you're brokering out freight to actually accumulate direct shippers. You know, so you don't want to run on the load board all the time. But like I always tell you guys, the load board is fine. The load board has made me a lot of money, you know, in my duration of my trucking company. And like I said, I made a lot of money off of DAT. If you guys are looking for a 30-day free trial with DAT to test their load board, good load board, very user-friendly app. There's a link below in the description box. Go ahead and click that link and get your 30-day free trial with DAT out there. So, man, just learn those 3 things. You know, Learn how to run your business. Go get your own authority. After you go get your own authority, learn how to dispatch. After you learn how to dispatch, learn how to broker freight, or learn them both simultaneously. You know, so that's the way that you're going to maximize your profit. The goal is to take as many people out of your pockets as possible. You know, you don't want too many hands in your pocket. And the reason why you don't want a lot of hands in your pocket is because it's already a lot of overhead when you're operating a trucking company. Like I always tell you guys, especially the ones that hit me up, the day that you go out and you buy that truck and that trailer is the day that you just accumulated a lot of overhead. Because now you're talking about truck note, trailer note. Then you're talking about commercial insurance, unexpected maintenance, fuel, and especially if you guys are planning on hiring a driver out there. So there's a lot of overhead associated with running a trucking company. And that's why I tell you guys, that's why I enjoy brokering freight and dispatching now. Don't get me wrong, I still got my trucks and I still operate my trucks, but sometimes you might just end up breaking even, you know, running those trucks depending on the maintenance. The maintenance is what really drives your profit out there. There's times when I had to spend $10,000 in one setting on one truck. So it might take a while for you to actually profit $10,000. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm going more towards dispatching and brokering. I'm not in the business right now to grow on a big fleet of trucks anymore. When I first started, that was my whole goal, was honestly to be the biggest hotshot trucking company. And then I started to learn other things and discover other things in this business out here. So hopefully, you know, this quick video was just to help you guys out. Yesterday, I told you guys, man, you got to be disciplined. Discipline is the key. Discipline is the foundation of anything in life to me. You know, if you're not disciplined, you'll never get to where you really want to be. So I just want to, you know, inspire you guys out there and motivate you guys, man. You guys can do anything that you want as long as you put your mind to it and be consistent and dedicated to what you do out there. So if you guys have any questions about starting up that trucking company, starting up your own authority, dispatching, freight brokering, feel free to hit me on my email at broker@managedtrans.com. Go visit my website, www.extraordinarymovement.com. Go get your 30-day free trial with DAT. Go sign up with TAFS Trans and Financial Services. Me and my little son out here now. We're about to get back to it. My oldest boy, he was asleep this morning. He must have had a long night last night. He must have been out partying too much. So, man, we about to get back to it, man. Everybody out there, CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.